Hello and welcome to this new video for webMethods integration server. Today I will show you how to build the ART connection updater from source code. I had received a few questions from people how to do this, and rather than individual respond, I thought I'd just make a quick video out of that so that everybody can see how to do that. So here we are in webMethods Designer, and the very first thing we need to do is to switch over to the Java perspective. There are two ways to do that. Either you can use the shortcut, which is the Java perspective icon here in the upper right corner. This isn't always there. So alternatively, and this always works, go to Window, Perspective, Open Perspective, Java. And if Java isn't listed here, click to Other, and there you have it in all cases. Click Open, and you are there. Now we need to import our project. We go to File, Import, Projects from Git, Clone URI, and now we need to enter the URL. I will also put the URL into the video description, but here is the regular way via the web browser. So go to your web browser, go to GitHub, and then enter Yarntech. And here we have the project webMethods IS-RIT connection updater. And here is your URL. Now back to Designer. Pasting the URL in. Next. And here we need to switch to the existing projects because it already is there. Click Finish, and that's it. Now we have the project in our local workspace, and we can build the source code. To do that, open the build XML file, which is an ART file. Right-click, Run As, ART build. And the build process is already complete. Now, as you saw, there came a window up from the Windows firewall, and I adjusted settings as I wanted them. Do whatever is appropriate in your environment in that respect, but you should only see that once. Let's now look at the output of the build process. So I double click on console here to make it full screen. The ART script works with Linux/Unix as well as Windows. And if you have installed in the default location, meaning on Windows under C Software AG or on Linux under /opt/Software AG, there's nothing else you need to do. If you have chosen a non-default installation location, there's one additional step, and that is setting the webMethods home environment variable to the place where you have installed webMethods. So ART has created a few directories, has built a jar file, and has put the jar file plus some shell scripts and documentation into a zip file. And the zip file contains the version number, which is release candidate 1 in this video, but it will very likely be a slightly different value when you do this. So let's go back into the package explorer. And here you can see in the dist for distribution directory that we have the zip file, and from here we can take it and copy it wherever we want. Now let's double click on it. And here you can see what's in there. You have the license file, which is Apache 2, the documentation, a sample for the changes to be done, a batch file or shell script for running this, and the actual jar file with the program. For details how to run this, check the README, and you can find it here on GitHub. And it's the same file that is also being put into the zip file, so you have it on your local disk as well. And here you can see all the details, how to invoke the script, and that should be good. That's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are interested in further content like this, please do subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.